Oga, why you dey call me? You no suppose dey drink kai kai with your trophy by now.
I call you to tell you say I see your handwork with Aston Villa and Gerrard.
You nko? You think say I no recognize wetin you wan do with Wolves? Abeg, carry your localized trophy go drink ogogoro. I get better international UEFA Champions League to carry on Saturday.
So na kai kai and ogogoro you dey drink with your 2 trophies wey you don carry already?
Na true sef, I don forget say you no dey celebrate. You be sadist. Na Odogwu bitters and bitter cola you go drink with am abi?
You dey craze. And for your information, as far as I dey English Premier League, nobody go touch this trophy if no be me.
You think say na by buying Haaland? No worry, carry your village trophy dey go. I no dey drag am with you. We go meet next season.
Guy, you no suppose dey celebrate with your boys. Abi you dey allergic to celebration?
Leave my matter first. I hear say Mbappe using a catch cruise. Sorry for the incident.
Who be you now?
Real Madrid and La Liga now.
My name na Real Madrid abi na La Liga. With or without Mbappe, I go deliver my results effectively.
I trust you now. Show them say you no need Mbappe by carrying the Champions League.
Of course na.
That club get dubious ways wherein they take organize and arranging things, so no let them slip through. Just deceive am the way it take deceive me. Then for that minute, just raise that your eyebrow to take change the whole game.
See this one. Na small thing be that now. But wait oh, why you dey support me to win Liverpool?
No worry, just win am first. You go know why.
Mercy, shebi you don hear wetin happen?
How I no go hear? Everybody just dey carry the news up and down like say na dem be Al Jazeera. Nowadays, everybody na news station. Turn left, you go see CNN. Look the other side, na BBC you go dey watch.
So you know say Mbappe don sign new contract?
Hey now, you no dey hear word?
Calm down na. I just wan confirm say na the same news we dey talk about.
Why I go calm down? Because say person sign new contract. Na I no go hear word. My pikin wake me up 3 a.m. for night just to tell me this same nonsense news.
Sorry na.
Abeg make una carry una news comot for my ear before person go deaf.
You know how much dem dey pay am?
Wetin concern me concern money wey dem dey pay am.
The money wey dem dey collect big pass your own o.
God forbid. You say wetin?
Na wetin dem tell me o. I just wan let you know.
Never. E no fit happen. E no dey possible.
Okay na.
Mbappe! Mbappe!
Who dey shout my name?
Just imagine this small boy. Come here, Joe!
Na who dey call me?
How much oil money dem pay you?
Nothing concern you.
You reach to buy country?
Why I go tell you?
You fit buy Nigeria?
No dey ask me mumu question, Joe.
Tell me na.
Go read newspaper. No dey disturb me.
Me and you know say wetin dem dey write for newspaper na nonsense. Tell me something.
For the day wey I sign, I no fit tell anybody my agreements.
So for your mind, na you be the highest earner for football na?
You think say I go forever dey your shadow?
No be your fault. Na this nonsense oil money wey no dey finish. Football no suppose dey allow this kind nonsense.
Why in dey vex? Even when Madrid buy Bale, Ronaldo bin vex say the money too much. Na normal thing. Abeg, you fit advise me on how to block person number for life? Your girlfriend dey disturb you? Which girlfriend? Na Benzema dey disturb me. Since when you find out? The guy don dey send me heartbreak message. You for tell am na? Na my agent say make I keep the secret. You see am? The guy don dey call again. Hello?
Why you stab me for back like this now?
I no stab you for back oh.
But you tell me say you go come Madrid.
No be my fault say PSG get too much money na. Plus my prime minister come dey call me. Dey yarn me say na me be their national treasure. Make I betray my country.
Na thunder go fire you. Shebi na me and you go play World Cup. If I give you assist bar, my name no be Benzema again.
Calm down na.
Because of you, peace no go dey our squad. Violence go dey woto.
Wow. Which one come be woto?